Tesla, major concerns because of this. Elon Musk, of course, is best friends with Trump right now, and he's paying a price for that. Canada, we've got people at hockey matches booing the national anthem, people even burning the flag, taking whiskey off the shelves, and now calls for 100% tariffs on Tesla. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. So we can see Tesla going down big. Now, this was always going to happen because Tesla... Oh, we got a new gold member. Thank you.
Mibzar Ortiz has become a member.
I'll come back to you in a moment. A gold member, highest priority. I will come back to you in a few moments and tell you all the services that you get as a gold member. Tesla, of course, Elon Musk, now not very popular because with Trump right now, all the markets are going down. Tesla will pay the biggest price. Why? One, like Palantir, it's massively overbought. It's a stock that trends on momentum and moods and feelings, and people use it as a way to protest and so on and so forth. But really, it's down to two things, mainly. Number one, it's overpriced. It's too expensive, number one. And number two, if this happens, Tesla is in all kinds of trouble. It will not be selling cars. It will not be selling cars in Canada. It won't be selling cars anywhere other than America if this happens, because other countries are joining suit. Other countries now are going against America. This is the problem. When you make a country an island, you go against everyone, you burn relationships, you burn friends around the world. And unfortunately, America, as amazing as it is, and the friendships it has, it's burning relationships live right in front of your eyes right now. And the rest of the world is saying, we love America, but we're not a fan of Trump. And Trump is doing this, and America is going to become an island by itself. And people are going to go, do you know what? We don't need it. We can all come together and trade with each other. And America, with its debt situation, currently where it is, have so many enemies, it won't be able to sell anything. And then America could seriously be in trouble. This is a terrible day. So Canada is saying we should slap Tesla with 100% tariffs in response to Trump. This is incredible news just coming out. Former Canadian Finance Minister, Chrystia Freeland, said on Saturday, Ottawa should retaliate against the US tariffs by imposing 100% tariffs on Tesla, specifically going after Elon Musk and Tesla. And with a stock that is so dramatically overpriced, a full-on, extremely aggressive trade war is happening. And as I speak to you, countries in Europe around the world are all finding new alliances amongst each other with China, including Russia, against America. America has to be really careful at this moment. It could end up alienating the entire world, and it could literally go bankrupt with the amount of debt it has. And you all know about that because you know Elon Musk and Trump have said that the debt position is out of control. It is. Take away all your strategic partnerships and customers, and boy, are you in trouble. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau responded by announcing 25% tariffs on $155 billion in US imports. We already know about that, but now we're looking specifically at Tesla. Freeland, who is in the race to succeed Trudeau as Prime Minister, so this is a big deal, says Canada should publish a detailed retaliation list that needs to be big, very specific, and $200 billion worth. In an interview with Global News, Freeland said Ottawa's retaliation plan should target stakeholders Trump cares about, including American electric vehicle maker Tesla. Tesla chief executive Elon Musk emerged as an influential supporter of Trump during the US election last year and now heads the administration's newly created Department of Government Efficiency Advisory Body. Freeland said Canada should utilize its market power as the largest export market for the US. Why would you go against Canada when it's your largest export market for the US? Well, Trump thought it was a good idea to deal with Trump's tariffs. She also urged Canadians to boycott American products. This is a terrible, terrible day. It seems like the Americans have a new reason every day, said Freeland in response to Trump, citing illegal immigration and drug smuggling among the reasons for the tariffs. What is really going on is a bully trying to push us around. This is the sad fact of it. Countries around the world, if they come together with the debt crisis, that is it, which America has, America could go bankrupt. Remember, folks, I know you don't like this, but Trump has gone bankrupt himself many, many times in his businesses. The bullying tactic does not work. America is a loved, respected country, but countries around the world aren't too happy with Trump, and they're going after him, and they're going after Tesla, they're going after Elon, and they're going directly after the financial structure of the United States of America. If they all come together, China will just go, hello, we build electric cars, and Europe will go, fine, we'll take them from you. New alliances are being forged as we speak. Only a few hours ago, Vladimir Putin, a dictator, said, and I quote, Europe is kneeling down under the master, referring to Trump. This is really, really bad. America is taking the approach of taking Canada. It wants to take Canada. It wants to take Greenland. It's becoming a bit like Russia. And trouble is whether you like that statement or not, the rest of the world aren't having it, and they're protesting, and they're protesting big, and you're getting billions and hundreds of billions now being wiped off the US economy. And all of a sudden, people will find other ways to get the services they need, and America could simply go bankrupt. This is, no one's going to want me to say this, but you know what? It's the truth, and the truth hurts, and Tesla is paying the price, as well as other American businesses. I feel sorry today for those American businesses. Let's just take American whiskey now being taken off the shelves around the world. That's what's happening right now. People are going, let's buy Scottish whiskey. Scotland, loving it. America, no one's going to buy the whiskey. Now, that's just one small little thing, but imagine the people who work at the American whiskey business. They're going to lose their jobs, and you'll never come back. You'll never come back from this. If you upset people, they'll go, no, we're not going to have it. We're not going to come back. And once these alliances are burned, they're burned for good. America has built friendships up over such a long period of time. And now it's choosing to go alone and say, stuff it, USA, 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 all on our own. And it's getting what it asked for. Is it good? You decide. Tesla, today, stock price plummeting. Click above my head for all the links, down below in the description, over here for more information, and over here for more videos I think you'll like. It's a sad day, very unsettling. Take care of yourselves and each other.